Lordship directed to this matter, Lordship. We cancel 27th, Lordship, but not listed, Lordship.
What is the matter?
Retake, Lordship, we are struggling for regulation, Lordship, since 2014, Lordship.
You it.
Lordship, pardon me for mentioning CRLA number 286 of 16. Lordship, in the last order, my lord, the direction to list this matter on week commencing 22nd of
Is it a
September.
bail application?
No, Lordship. For final hearing, paperwork is also ready. My lords also give direction to registry to prepare a paperwork, and paperwork is prepared. And
Criminal appeal of the year?
2016.
He is on bail.
No, Lordship, for final hearing.
Whether the appellant is on bail or he is in custody.
No, appellant is died.
After he is dead,
Yes, Lordship.
then what hearing will be on?
Lordship, let me clear that. Appellant is dead, and the appeal is continued by her daughter.
Acha.
And
What is the offense here?
offense under section 120B, where appellant is punished for life imprisonment, and due to this sentence.
What is the substantive offense? 120B along
302 or what?
302.
302, but not punished under 302.
Okay,
Only punished
give
under.
them. Let us see. Yes.
No, repression for service benefit. Service benefit for fresh admission and retirement benefit.
Where is your band?
And
You are-
CAT, CAT.
you are
There,
bringing
band
that,
is there.
okay. All right. Give it. All right. Give it. Yes, ma'am.
My lord, this is regarding upgradation of a post in the court's establishment. When it was on the verge of conclusion, the court appointed another lawyer. And so that is how it is getting prolonged.
Right.
Next week.
Give it.
Criminal appeal for bail.
Pardon to mention, my lord, CRLA 678 2017 challenging of conviction offense under section 302. Miscase for bail is there.
Please.
Another is fresh matter CRL.
Supplementary list item number 1.
May please, your lordship. In last occasion, your lordship stated that the challenging the matter after a long time. And the answer is that the regular cause of action continuing, my
You
lord.
come to the order dated 21/2025. You are for the petitioner.
I am for the petition.
Sit padagala se lokoda. कोड़िए 1/2025 order number 1 व्यवहार को. Please read it out.
And connected matter. I pray for some adjournment.
Just a minute. You also want adjournment or what?
No, I am continuing. And the first matter. As per your lordship direction, everything I filed for this summary.
Yes.
Please read that order number 1.
Matter taken up through.
Leave it. Come to this writ petition has been filed. That
This petition has been filed by the petitioner challenging the order dated 24/10/2025 passed by the Central Administrative Tribunal, Cuttack Bench, Cuttack, in way number 260/92 of 2007, dismissing the original application. That similar question came into the consideration because the tribunal way number 213 of 2007 filed by the similar executed employees. Notaur Mahanti versus in Indian Council of Agriculture. My lord,
अरे अपन धैर्य नहीं पढ़िबा ପାଇଁ.
which has dismissed on 2nd December 2019. When we put a pertinent question to the Land Council for the petitioners as to whether the order dated 2/12/19 passed by the Central Administrative Bench, Cuttack, way number 2 and so has been challenging before this honorable court or not in common with petition. The Land Council for the petitioner seeks some
So that
time.
is the order. That is the next item. That means Natvar Mahanti case is connected to this. Okay. So let us come to what is the prayer before the London Central Administrative Tribunal. You are the applicant there.
No.
And where is your original application? Relief sought for is to quash the memorandum dated 19/4/2006
Hmm.
under Annexure 7, direct the respondents, particularly respondent number 2 and 3, to place the applicants in so-and-so scale of pay for all consequential service benefit, including promotion, arrear salary, in terms of the order, oblique direction in the case of so-and-so, okay, disposed of with a reasonable time to which, okay, now you come to the, impugned order that is in annexure number.
No, the last page.
What is the impugned order, Land and Council? Which
Annexure
is that
to-
annexure
Annexure to 12, my lord.
12?
Hmm.
Okay, now, where is the, you come to the operative part of the order and,
In view of the above discussion, we have that view of the way, the claim of the applicant when examine the accordance with the rule applicable and the factual circumstances of the case.
no, you come to paragraph number 9. That internal page is 11, drawing page is 70.
Yeah.
From the above, it is clear. Seven zero.
For the above, it is clear that the case of Bibi Naik is different factually since,
Your case is based on that Bibi Naik
my lord,
is similarly situated
aye,
and he has got the relief.
my lord,
Now, see the observation, yes.
whether the senior computer has been placed in lower pay scale. In that case, the ICAR accepts the figment of pay Sri Naik in a scale of pay 425 to 700 as computer with effect from 1/10/1973 as the tribunal of the ICAR council did not object to that part of the tribunal's order before the Honorable Apex Court as observed in the judgment extract above. The other direction, the figment in play of scale of pay 550 to 900 was challenged and the said direction of the tribunal was set aside by Honorable Apex Court and counsel for the appellant in the present way before had submitted that the appellant wants to same benefit
Wants the same benefit.
of the rates of 425 700 with effect from 1/10/1975.
Which was granted on
which was-
concession.
But allowed Sri Bibi,
Okay, here,
but the present appellant pay scale of pay 1/10/1975 was not at 425 700. Like the case of Sri Bibi Naik, hence it is held that the case of appellant is not at the part at par with the case of Sri Naik, and hence they are not entitled to the benefit of a claim by them in the way. But my lord, it is not appropriate. It is not applicable under the law, my lord. The TCS rule till date, TCS rule not implemented by the authority. They 2 times Honorable High Court quashed the order of the tribunals. And then after they dismissed the prayer of the petitioner, they avoided the TCS rules, my lord.
what it says that
My lord, TCS rules stated that
you are claiming the benefit
Benefit-
of a particular scale of
My
pay
lord.
that is 425 to
Seven.
700 with effect from 1/10/1975.
my lord,
And you said that one Bibi Naik
my lord,
has got that, so that
Yes,
is how
it-
you are.
it's the part of challenge, it's the part of challenge this case, it's the part of challenge, man. So another challenging document is there, man. I filed number of evidence for this honorable court, my lord.
No, the,
Under annexure 1, my lord, Honorable High Court also clarify clearly under annexure Justice, the Honorable Justice El Mahapatra, Honorable Justice Pradyumna Mahanti pass a order, my lord, in WPC number. Can you lordship look at the page 30, my lord? it is clearly clarified that. So after Honorable High Court order, and that stated that, and I elaborated to the judge, the order, and stated that they are illegally,
These are all retired persons,
well,
except I think
one
maybe
person,
that,
one,
3H,
uh,
who are they? Acha, they may be that deceased. Legal heir was the deceased.
aye,
They have substituted, okay.
and wait,
So only one is surviving. Petition
Mm.
number 1, 2 has died,
Mm.
legal heirs have been
Right.
substituted. Similarly, 3 has died, so on so.
Mm. in my lord, 2006, my lord, Honorable High Court, and clarified that, my lord.
Notover case requires to be
Not to,
heard first. Just be para 10, just see
Hmm.
next
Fine.
paragraph.
his appointment time
But
different and mine.
That is an
appointment time-
exhaustive judgment. That is exhaustive judgment.
My lord.
It-
He is
Tribunal is relied upon.
seeking for an adjournment that
Well,
and council is
So it
seeking
has to be
for.
first heard.
My lord.
Notover has to be
Let
heard.
us fix it another date so that he can let him begin first. Then we will also, of course, hear you and then we will
Yeah.
see that. Lekhandu, the WPC number 9795 of 25. The Land Council for the petitioner seeks for an adjournment. The Land Council for the Union of India wants to be present. Put up this matter on such and such date with WPC number 1346 of 2025. बाकी से जो 1346 रे लिख देवे that is this matter along with so on that day. Yes, next.
Saturday after 12th members.
12 तारीख 44 keep it on 14th of November 2027. Yes.
Item number 2,
Please also. Safest manner to direct to the bank and the option purchasing managers. And I will, there is the entire amount.
Just a minute, hold on. Number 2, order number 2. Land Council has filed the order sheet of this one, Asker Funda Land Council submits that he has instruction to appeal for the, Bank of India. We saw with a copy of the petition. Let a copy of this one, so your, what is your instruction, Mr. Panda?
My resolution submission, my before DRT pleadings are completed, the SA 171 is pending.
I
The
think
board-
that he has filed that order sheet,
Yes, madam.
and it is just being adjourned sometimes at his instance, sometimes at your instance in this way. So if both of you pending, we can ask that it will be disposed of at an earliest time.
Yes, my lord.
Both of you
My
will
lord.
not seek for an
Only,
adjournment.
only my resolution submission with my lord's permission, what is my real fact, what is happening there. Recently, one case, my associate here, VC, submitted yes notes, we have already completed argument and notes of submission we have filed. But the court adjourned the matter, disposed of the matter that the bank is absent. Though the law officer was present with me.
No, here, as we find that ସବୁବେଳେ କିଛି ନା କିଛି କେହି ଜଣେ
In
adjournment
fact, that case, the borrower is lingering.
Not the-
Or she fixed a period. No, I have already filed my rejoinder, counter everything.
Right, take down.
Reading is complete.
Yes,
Reading,
ma'am.
Legum, the petitioner so and so has filed this petition with following prayer. On the last date, the Land Council for the petitioner produced the entire order sheet of the DRT cutter in SA number 171 of 2023. And as per the said order, copy of the writ petition has been served on the Land Council for the Union Bank of India. Both the Land and Council submit that even though the pleadings are complete before the DRT cutter, but the matter is getting urgent from time to time, and the main responsibility for such adjournment is on the borrower. is on account of the borrower. Be that as it may, since the essay is of the year 2023 and pleadings are complete are stated by the Land Council for the petitioners also for the bank. After perusing the order sheet file, we direct the Land Council, the Land DRT to take up the essay on priority basis and not to grant unnecessary adjournment in the matter and try to conclude the hearing of the essay as early as possible, preferably by end of November 2025.
And
The certified copy of the order shall be produced as undertaken by the Land Council for the petition on 3rd of November 2025.
I've already deposited the entire amount of
We are not-
7 crores, 6 lakhs,
We-
since
we
23,
feel
madam.
that we have not expressing any opinion on the merits of the essay, which is sub judice, no? Yes.
Deeply obliged, madam.
Number 3,
I'm with Vijay. And last occasion, your lordship directed me to furnish the counter and rejoinder. Submitted for the Nupilo. I have filed it yesterday. Probably it has not come on record. Lordship.
All right, Mr. Mishra, acha assurance. Then scanning. Do this scanning for them. To file for them. Actually, I am Mr. Mishra and Senior Panel Counsel for the Union of India. Submit that the as per the order dated 24/10/2025, he has filed the copy of the counter affidavit filed by the Union of India. Also, the rejoinder filed by the opposite party before
Yes.
the Land Tribunal. It appears, though the relevant documents filed by the Land Council for the petitions were produced before us, it appeared that it has not been scanned. Let it be scanned and matter be placed next week on 7th of November 2020.
Copy not sir, my lord.
10th of November 2020.
My lord, read copy not sir, my lord.
What a copy.
In this case, your lordship directed to serve.
Yeah, read petition copy देना दी.
Not sir, my lord.
There was a direction why are you not giving you?
That is a direct from.
Land Council for the opposite party submits that in spite of the specific order dated 24/10/2025, the copy of the writ petition has not been served on him.
I'll serve in the window.
Mr. Mishra Land Council submits that in course of the day, he will serve the copy of it along with all the enclosures on the Land Council for the opposite party. Yes.
Ajul.
Oscar, you. Scanning we made in the meantime, the documents filed by some recent. Yes, next, and it is to come with the WPC number 2886025. Yes.
item 4,
Yeah, that's it. As per earlier order of the Honorable Court, I have already served the copy of the consolidated petition.
On the
From serial number on
opposite parties number 2 to
2
5.
to 5. Already served
2
the
to
copy.
5 who are appearing, Mr. Sarthak Mahapatra, advocate on behalf of Mr. L.K. Maharana. They are not here. We are just keeping it to some other day because today, as you know, that there is a first or to be single matter was there. So we are just keeping it like on the Land Council for the you are for the petitioner. Petitioner submits that as per the order dated 19/9/2025, copy of the consolidated writ petition has already been served on the Land Council for the opposite party number 2 to 5. Since no one appears for the opposite party number 2 to 5, put up this matter on 10th of November.
Notice ଟା ଏକ ନମ୍ବର ଅଛି ବୁଝିପାରିଲେ
সিরিয়াল নাম্বার 1 বিস্তারিত নয় তার নোটিশটা হওয়া দরকার তার নোটিশটা হেলা এই 2 ରୁ 5 দিয়ে হেলা
wait. ସେ କଣ ସୋ ମୋଟୋ appear କରି ଯାଇଥିଲେ କି?
ସିଏ ପେଟିସନର ଥିଲେ
ନାଇଁ ଯୋଉ 2 to 5 notice ତ
ସୋ ମୋଟ ସେ appear କରି
ସୋ ମୋଟୋ
PCODL ତରଫରୁ ସେ
but we'll consider on that day whether it is a fit case for issuance of notice or not. Okay, let it come on 10th. Yes, next.
Item number 5.
Yes, Mr. Mishra.
My lord, the petitioners have challenged order dated 17/1/2025 passed by the Central Administrative Tribunal, Kotak. But the petition filed OA number,
No, we passed the order on the last date
yes, my lord.
that you have filed the correct impugned order
Yes, my lord.
and the same has not been placed on record.
That is probably placed on record, sir.
Just a minute, Order dated कितने?
17/1.
17/4/2000.
Now the So
17.
this order you are challenging here?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
That was not
You
done.
you have, Mr. Ojha, you have already entered appearance.
Yes, ma'am. All 3 cases.
So, and you have received the copy of the
Yes.
petition. Okay. So, since you have already entered appearance, if you, we can dispose of final.
Yes, yes.
Are you intending to file any counter affidavit?
No, my lord. It is a compassionate appointment
All
matter.
right.
We are waiting to
Issue
since
notice of declaration
2018.
of admission indicating therein that the matter shall be disposed of at the stage of admission. Since Mr. Swapan Kumar Ojha has already entered appearance for the opposite party and has received the copy of the writ petition and submits that he doesn't intend to file any counter affidavits, the matter will be listed in the week commencing from 17th of November 2025 for final disclosure.
Yes, admission.
There is an
Admit heal.
There is an
Admit heal.
Admit when we issued the notice, aji to hela na upon appear kole, then it will be disposed of finally on that day. Yes.
There is an application for stay, my lord.
Only the tribunal says that you consider it.
Yes.
No, they have initiated
Suppose we should
contempt
not have entered
proceedings.
in.
Contempt proceedings.
Tribunal only calls.
ଆଜିର ଅର୍ଡରଟାକୁ ଗୋଟେ ମେମୋରେ ଗୁନ୍ଥିକିନି ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଫାଇନାଲ ଡିସ୍ପୋଜାଲ ପାଇଁ ରହିଛି 17 ତାରିଖରେ କାଉ କେହି ଆଗେଇବେନି ହଁ ଠିକ ଅଛି ନେକ୍ସଟ ପ୍ଲିଜ ଦିସ୍ yes next
Item 6.
The connected matters, my lord, also.
same order
Same order.
कर देवे जोड़ा है इंडिविजुअल कर दे ये तार से तासना शो
It is not auspicious to dismiss today.
item number 6
So, like,
Similarly, I have filed 3 cases. My learned senior has already appeared.
सही बढ़िया केस
No, এটা अलगा matter is regarding
से
the
order कर दिया तो ऐसा enter appearance आधेर फाइल करी भी काउंटर affidavit नहीं same रख दिया 17/11 assume for final disposal आधेर content petition
contempt of file.
next item number
Item 7.
This case, my lord, of challenge the annexure 12. Regarding passed by the tribunal, my lord, matter related to promotion election.
okay just a minute we directed on 24/10/2025 to you to file a consolidated
Yes,
file.
Yes, sir.
Are you served a
Yes,
copy
sir.
of it? Yes.
Yes, sir.
What is the case here?
Yes, my lord. Of challenge the annexure 12 passed by the tribunal with regard to the promotion. The fact is like that. The opposite party.
You are the no you are the Union of India cha.
My
You
lord.
filed the original application. Mr. Patnaik.
Myself, I appellate.
Acha, you filed the what is the original application? Let us see your prayer.
Yes, my lord. That is annexure 6, your lordship.
Annexure 6.
77 page, your lord. Annexure 77, your lordship. And prayer is
No, prayer portion.
my lord.
Paragraph that is 8 would have relief short for.
Yes, my lord.
Acha, huh.
That is want to open the sealed cover, so on, so applicant
Yes.
is considered for promotion as joint commission. Acha.
We pass now.
Hmm.
Same.
Hmm.
Charge was which for the end of the para 7. Appeal to not. Para 7 of the not.
Include order, include order.
Para 7.
Hmm.
Is the prosecution so and so is days real. Charge sheet file and seal cover DPC held on author.
That cannot be open. This one is transfer.
Pass he said
We do not find any justification in the expenditure form project. Also, this will be sealed out now.
Well.
Day before yesterday,
Well.
on this issue, we have passed the order. Another case, it's a copy to the Ajita Jura upload.
we held against you. Everything was done prior to the after the DPC. How can you adopt seal cover procedure?
That Janki Raman case, we.
Janki, KB Janki Raman.
Yes, yes.
KB Janki Raman case, and it says that if the entire thing is already over and if that, but the charge sheet has not been filed or the charge copy has not been served, then the sealed cover procedure should not be adopted.
My lord.
So here, as it appears,
My lord.
that everything is over by that 2019.
Yes.
So this, by that time, the recommendation has already also been made. And this
DPC held on 31/12/19
2018,
my lord.
and
Right.
recommendation in 2019. By that time, neither the charge sheet was filed in any criminal court, nor, yes?
Yes, my lord. That's right. I
So
mean,
that covers it, so.
that enough, as yet, your lordship, as yet, the charge sheet submitted, and 2024 charge member is submitted.
So that is why he says that this should not have been adopted, this sealed cover procedure should not have been adopted.
In view,
The recommendation should have been acted upon, that is the order, what is it?
that is order, sir.
Yeah.
In view of your lordship, the OM 1992, if persons have any proceedings pending or
when it was it pending at the time of DPC? It was not pending.
that is not pending,
Then
but
we'll reserve.
You see, institution of the case is also not sufficient. Suppose criminal case is instituted.
yes, madam.
That is not sufficient to solve
Charge sheet
it.
has to be filed.
Charge sheet has to be filed.
Yes, madam.
Similarly, so far as the DPC is concerned, that charge copy has to be served on that. Otherwise, you cannot keep it in sealed cover and deny the benefit to the person concerned.
Then, my lord, your lordship,
Just
a-
order itself, the tribunal dealt it.
my lord, at the time of passing the tribunal's order, there was in 2020, yes, 2025 order has been passed. 2024 charge memo served. In your lordship, that is
Follow
well-
what we are saying.
yes, yes, my lord. At that time, there was no proceedings pending. Lordship.
Then why are you challenging unnecessary?
You have to-
Seal cover has to be opened. We'll pass the
I
order.
will my lord,
Judgment result will
examine
pass.
your lordship telling that they have yesterday passed order. I will verify that.
सेम जिनसे आमे से जानकी रमन रिपोर्ट करिगिनी डेट गुड़ाक देगिनी डेट चार्ट रू ये करिछु आउ तो ये तो एका जिनस आउ किसी नुवा जिनस कुहाइनी आटा ऑब्जर्व करछन सेही जिनस ही पाइछि जानकी रमन केस we have taken into account and the settled principle of law, so that is how we
Also, my Jankiraman also held that if the persons have any illegal act done, he has no right to promotion. That also I observed that.
see why they have stated that at least the charge sheet should have been filed, why the charge copy, because prior to that, suppose you FIR is filed,
Yes, ma'am.
investigation is carried out and charge sheet is filed, that shows that the prima facie case is made out.
No doubt, my lord.
Then you can stall them. Similarly, inquiry of the some witnesses are examined and charges, copies served,
Yes, sir.
then something is there. But merely because a FIR is filed, that is not a ground. So
Dolly Loy case also.
Dolly Loy case,
it is
that-
directly covered. Why unnecessary?
That is criminal proceeding is there, prior to that, if even if past that order, now the charge sheet has submitted, article,
Vartaman kon he said that's not. Vartaman the charge sheet he
my lord,
But that is not.
sorry.
At that point, the relevant point of time is then when his name was recommended.
Yes.
All right, that is the main crux of the point. All right, we are reserving that. Hard, Mr. You are Mr. Alok Kumar
Right.
Mohanty, Lenin Senior Panel Counsel, and Mr. Jagmohan Patnaik, and counsel for the opposite party. Order is reserved. Time एवढा नाही, एवढा तो procedure. Number pass करो.